Other than where it's legally required, there is no reason to use your real name in many situations where it could be used without your permission or even against you, and that's where we start with tip number 1. In public settings, it may be polite to give your real name, but you want to avoid this to protect your privacy and to guard your information from being collected for use by data brokers or by someone who might try to socially engineer you. Choose an alias and use it where appropriate in public to create a barrier to your real life. This strategy can be enhanced with the next 2 tips. For a minimal monthly cost, you can easily set up an email account with a provider like ProtonMail to encrypt your communications, as well as establish separate email addresses for work, financial, or medical use, all within one user account. MySudo also offers alias emails, which leads us to our 3rd tip. Our phone number is the anchor to our mobile tracking device, the cell phone. This one is hard to reverse if you've been giving out your number without much thought to how it can be tied to you, but you can create a barrier by using a service like MySudo. Like your email, you can have multiple numbers, each with their own use case. For example, personal, business, or just as a throwaway. The goal is to not share the number that is also an entry point to your cell phone account, which crimers might exploit. Correct these 3 mistakes and you're well on your way to locking down your personal privacy. Also, dude, come on, I eat my lunch on that table. Looking for a program to teach you how to implement these and a dozen other privacy measures? Check out the course Protect Your Digital Privacy at courses.ndsprivacy.com.